Welcome to this tutorial of the Crea Solution Suite, where we'll explore the copy path function. When two pieces are meant to be sewn together, their seam lines have to match perfectly. With copy path, you can copy a line from one piece to another so the lines are identical or perfectly proportioned. No more guesswork. No more back and forth checking between pieces. In just a few clicks, you guarantee the exact proportion of the shared seam line across both pieces. The result: a faster, cleaner control process and pieces that fit together flawlessly on the sewing table. That means real savings in time and resources during production, and a garment that comes together exactly as your pattern maker intended. Precision built in from the very first line. Want to see it in action on your own patterns? Write to us to book a full demo of the software.